So I want to do a super quick video just to explain how to reattach the oven door. So I've got this Britannia range cooker. I'm going to take the oven door off to be able to fix the element. Now with this hinge system here, it's really important that you can note that tiny notch there. When you replace the oven door, you're going to try to make sure that that notch sits right onto the bottom ledge there, okay, at that point. But this is the really important thing. In order to be able to fix the hinge, you can't do it whilst it's like this. You actually need to join this part onto this part with some pressure. So let's show you how to do that. So what you have to do is you have to put the pressure onto the hinge until it's hooked up like that. And once you've prepared both of your hinges like that, then you can offer the oven door up, put those little notches onto that front edge there, and then flip back the little security hinge retaining clip there. So let's show you the next step. So I'm going to lift up the oven door, hook in, drop the hinges, make sure they're on those two small notches, and then using a small screwdriver I'm going to close the little hinge locks. Done it. So I'm not an oven installer, but I'm just sharing the knowledge as to how you do it.